3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 10 is minus 5 divided by 5 equals minus 1. Then times 2 is minus 2. But that's not the answer. This is absolutely wrong because according to the rules and conventions, whenever we have such algebraic calculations, we should go for a convention called PEMDAS. So PEMDAS, which I'm writing that right now, it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So this is the exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And this arrow shows the priority vector. So it means that P or parentheses have the highest priority. And then we have the exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. But keep in mind that multiplication and division, they have the same priority. It means, so first come, first served. Whichever you see first, you should do that at first. Either multiplication or division, doesn't matter. The same goes with addition or subtraction. First come, first served. So you should search for parentheses. If you have any parentheses, do them at first. In our original expression, we had a parenthesis. So we should get rid of the parentheses and calculate what's inside it at first. So 3 plus 2 is 5, okay? Then let me write it down again. So 5 minus 10 divided by 5 times 2. Then we have subtraction, division, and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and subtraction, they have a higher priority than multiplication and division. They have a higher priority than subtraction. So we should do them at first, but first come, first served, whichever comes first. Some students here, they come to this step, but then they make a mistake. They think that multiplication has always a higher priority than subtraction. They would say, okay, 5 times 2 is 10. Then 5 minus 10 divided by 10. So they would end up in a wrong answer again. So you should do it at first. 5 minus, we have division now. So we should do the division at first. 5 minus 10 divided by 5, it is 2. And then times 2. So now we have a subtraction, we have a multiplication. So multiplication has a higher priority according to PEMDAS. So 5 minus 2 times 2 is 4. And the final answer is just 1. And that's the final answer. You should do this type of expression like this. And as your homework, so I want you to calculate and find the value of 9 divided by 1/3 times 1/3. So make sure to put it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.